everybody. Today's science experiment is all about germs, okay? We can't come to school and be together because of this germ that's causing this sickness called coronavirus. So I wanted to teach you something. I know parents are probably telling you how important it is to wash your hands and keep yourself clean. So I'm going to show you something so you can see what germs do and how important it is to wash your hands, okay? Parents, you can either just have them watch the video, or if you'd like, after it's done, you can get the materials and do it together, or you can go and get the material, pause this and go and get the materials and we can all do it together. All you need is a bowl or a plate, okay, some water, and some either like pepper or oregano or some kind of spice like that, and some regular antibacterial soap, or just, this isn't even antibacterial, it's just soap. Okay? So what you do is you get your bowl, you add your water, and then you take your spice, whatever it is. I'm using pepper, and we get all those nasty germs in that water. See all those germs, kids? Those are like germs, okay? Then you're going to take your dirty finger, okay, and you're going to stick it in, and look, the germs stick to your finger. Ew. And get gross. And then you touch your face and it gets on your face. Ew, nasty. Okay? So, then you take your soap. I just put it in the bowl because it's easier for me. Okay? And you get some soap on your finger. Okay? And you dip it in the germs. And look, it's making all the germs go away from my finger. And I have no more germs on my finger. And that's how we keep our hands clean, and that's how we keep ourselves healthy. Hope you enjoyed this little experiment. Bye.